There it is. Huh? Oh, say hi. Hi. Yeah, we're going to the cave. Are you guys excited to see this cave? Who's excited to see this cave?
Oh, I'm excited to see the back there.
Huh? It's an open upper concept there, see? It's open. It's there. Okay guys, so this is this. Alright, we are going into this, what's the place called? Okay, I'll look up
You
there.
have the one at the first one.
Alright guys, so we are here at Blue Mountain and we're checking out this cave. It's Scenic
Batman cave.
right here. So we're just gonna go. So we're gonna check out this cave. There's a cave somewhere here in Blue Mountain. It's near Collingwood, north of Barrie. So come on guys, let's go. Alright guys, so cave lookout. Here we come. So we're gonna hit the cave. Just following this trail. All right, guys. So we're gonna go check this cave. Yeah. All right, guys. So what do you guys? You gotta go to the cave. You don't want to know what happened. You go to the cave, right? Where Batman lives. Batman's living in the cave. Yes. We're gonna check out this cave. The Scenic cave here in Blue Mountain. Yes, it's real. Yes, it is. No run money. Are you guys excited to see this cave? Who's excited to see this cave?
Oh, I'm excited to see the back there.
Huh? Ew. Ew. There's a part or the barb. We're checking out this cave. Somewhere here, guys. We're getting close. This is like going to Chocolate Hills or man-made forest. Welcome to Philippines. We are checking out this cave. I know there's a lot of caves. This is real cave. Nothing compared to the Philippine caves. Really? So, nature paradise. There's a little signs up there. Nature trail. All right, so we're gonna check out this cave and see how far this one is. All right, Malin, you gotta walk, buddy. Huh? Oh wow! I don't know how far this cave. Okay guys, so we start climbing up this hill to get to the cave. So, I don't know how far the cave is, but we're surrounded by trees. Look at the background, guys. Look how nice the background, eh? Like a man-made forest in Bilar. Alright. Oh, look at all the trees, eh?
Yes,
so nice.
guys. We're in Carmen, Bohol.
That's not Carmen, that's in Bilar.
Oh, Bilar.
Chocolate Hills in Carmen. Wow, we're going up. I don't know how far this climb to get to the cave.
Ano, darling? Naghanap mo darling na mo rin.
Yeah, workout.
Ha?
It's a workout.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, you can do it, buddy. He's got right in his backpack. All right. Hey, come on, do it. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on. Keep going. Oh, you're hopping up the hill, huh? Well, it's steep. There's a lot of people here, guys. Oh, this kind of far walk. Okay. All right, guys. So I guess we're almost to the top. Oh, Malin. No, 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 that's dirty. Which way? To the right or left?
Ano, darling, naghanap mas darling ni mo rin.
Yeah, workout.
Ha?
It's a workout.
Lati.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are going to the cave. Everybody want to go to the cave? All right.
You want me to hold it, Mom?
So here it is. Okay. Huh? Who?
You. And then I'll video you.
Oh, it's okay. Right.
Riley,
All right. So we're gonna head to the cave.
Riley.
Hold hands. Oh, cave's right here. Oh, wow. Right. Cave. Okay.
Connor and Logan.
Hold the hands.
Please. Connor and Logan.
All right, guys. So we check out this cave. Right here, it's a cave. It's a cave down here. So, let's see how this. Oh, we need lights. Let's see how this cave compared to the Philippines, huh? I know this.
Okay. Go. Okay, go down.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the cave.
Turn around to the thing. Start. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Kusing dayon, smell dayon. Sakto na. Kanay ano to?
all right. Hold the rail, guys.
Oh.
Oh,
my God.
that is a ground cave. Use hands rail for safety.
Oh wow.
Okay.
This is cool.
Wow.
Cool.
Look at that, guys. This is cave. Oh, it's a narrow cave.
No, we're just giving them some first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what is. Let's see how big this cave is. Guys, this cave, I want to compare this. I know in the Philippines, there's a lot of cave in the Philippines. But this is just, well, the entrance is kind of weird. It's so narrow. And the rock right here. Yeah. Okay, guys, so there's the stairs there. Alright. Okay, so let's just turn this camera around. Okay, just hold the rail. At least there's thing here. You have there's a steps.
Okay?
It's a step and rail. Metal rail here. You can hold on. Right. So okay, I'm gonna turn this camera on and see. Oh, so they call this cave, huh?
Wow.
Alright. You okay, babe?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Connor, Logan, hold hands.
Hold hand, guys.
Why you have to?
Alright, so oops. Whoa, look at that.
Wait, no, I'm just going on to the bigger step here.
There's the steps. There's the stairs going to this cave. What's in here? Huh?
Heavy now.
Okay. Guys. Going down the cave. Look, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, we're going to the cave. Yeah. These stairs is so thin. You gotta watch this rock, guys.
Sorry, voice buhay ba?
Riley, you gotta hold that. This is not good. Dangerous.
Riley,
Walang belo dito.
Riley, you want to give me your water bottle?
Hold the camera at that tunnel. Turn around and show me this. Yeah, Spider-Man, yeah.
Kaya pala ayaw niya kang mag-sandal yun. Ready? Hold tight.
Okay.
Watch your step. It's okay. You can do it.
Connor and Logan, you're going in the wrong way.
Watch your step.
Follow Tita Amado.
Go, Riley. Go ahead. Go, go, go. You can do it. Good job. Just
Okay, just follow people there. Tanawan mo na kani.
give me this.
Yan.
Yeah.
Ano mo yung ulo mo?
It's okay.
Lord. Ang ganda.
Pareho mong kamera tarong ha, kay sometimes
Yeah.
pa magkuan ba na.
It's okay. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Manan, say hi.
Hi, wait, kita kira na.
Huwag kang mag-picture yan lang makikita.
Hello. Oh my God, bro. Stay there. Wait.
Bala, akala ko yun na yun. Ano ko bala?
Logan.
Connor!
Wait.
Logan, wait.
Stay there.
Stay, stay. Wait for us.
Oh.
Okay, Riley, hold hands. Watch your steps. Go in there.
Okay.
Careful. There.
Sasali ka pa namin Miss Miss Universe.
Miss, ano yan? Miss Canada.
Oh.
Miss Canada.
Oh my God. Wow.
Akala yun na yun.
Look right ahead.
Kasi underwater to eh.
Yeah, okay. Okay?
Sit naman yung mga
Yeah. Like me.
Ay, talagang patatalo ang tatay.
Ah, bakit?
Sabi ko, sweet naman yung halin. Sabi niya, like me.
Eh, syempre naman, like Uncle Amado. Himala naman yun. Iba na yun.
Ayan na, saan na ba si Yuyo?
Lovely, wait for us.
Riley,
Where's Logan? You
you have to
have to
Wait.
wait. Ask Logan to wait.
Riley, this is what I'm telling you. You have to just walk this way.
Riley, hold Tita
You have
Kate's hand.
to
Come here.
walk smart. Okay? Smart. Yeah, spider web.
Yun, pag nagsandal ka, wala ka talaga.
Riley.
Paano na lang.
Hindi ko naman kasi alam na dito tayo. Pupunta lang.
Ano ba sinabi?
Go down to your
Hindi
ass.
ko rin alam na cave ang puntahan natin.
Ang alam ko, ano dun sa Blue Mountain.
Okay.
Di ako muna, Bi. Ako mag-ano sa mga
Huh? Take the train.
Connor, wait. Wait.
Get the dog. Riley, watch where you're going. That's where you're going. Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Wait for it, come out with you.
Oh, Logan, come here. Come.
Okay, ready.
Watch your head, guys. Watch your head. I know I'm short, but I'm still a bit. Come. Come to the floor.
Over there, where's floor?
Oh, that's not the key. Let's take the floor.
Yeah, I know, it's floor.
Yeah, come. Guys.
Wow.
So here we are, guys. We're in the cave.
Say hi.
I don't know. It's a different cave. It's not a cave like back home in the Philippines. It's different. It's an open upper concept there. See, it's open into the cave, but they call it cave. It's not really cave for me. It's just rocks.
Campingan din no.
Yeah.
How good because rock?
The girl was inside on inside.
No, let them rest.
What happened?
Okay, we're gonna
Saan?
make a soup.
Butterfly.
It's okay, Manan. No, don't look.
Butterfly.
Yeah, I know.
Hold
Let the
your hand.
butterfly sleep.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay. Meet halfway. Okay, hug.
Hug?
Hug.
Picture ka
It's
na.
very long.
Picture, yeah? This is it. That's it.
Kami pa sa hinunangan
I
kay
can carry it because it's hard.
Let's go. Oh, nice.
Hold the rock.
This is very adventurous.
Hold the rock. Always hold the rock.
Take a book.
Take yourself.
nagkanda sa kon dili
If you hold the rock, you're gonna.
Negros, daghan.
Negros.
Oo, pinakadaghan.
Mas dami pa dito. Kini yung mga has.
Nalami na gunin nila din.
Mulangoy kayo, then huwag kang kumengko.
Mo na tubig no. Daw.
Then pagsunod niyo mga
Ano
to.
ba tagagawas kay ko sa mga kuben.
You wanna use this one?
Napo yung dito mo dito na crystal. You cannot touch the thing, crystal. Inside the cake kay mo. Brown siya.
Kami dito ka mo nga. Tubig ako red pink pink. Tawag din. Pink beach.
Pink peach.
San pink.
Star.
Oh, you hold on this. Hold in rock wala.
Mayumi.
Tanan ba ni tanan.
Ano, taguan. Kana, taguan.
Pwede si ano dito.
Sige saya.
Si Uncle Magro.
No, naka-live. Naka-contact ka.
Ha?
Naka-vlog ka.
Si Papi si Nen.
Yeah, make sure you go ano.
Si ako ano na lang ako.
Sabdi na taka to Prince B.
Pator pa may mawawanta ano ka na doon. So wanted ka na. Ayan ka na doon.
Ano naman?
Sabi niya hindi pwede siya Uncle Magros.
Cut na ko na.
Make sure.
Sa tuwa pa rin ikalipan.
Say, be careful. Akala ko be careful of your life. Be careful of the phone. Oh my God.
Ha?
Just go strap na.
Okay.
Picture ta, dali.
Hello guys.
Kuya Madu.
What?
Careful yung phone pala.
I'm still paying. Oh.
Okay, watch out, Daddy.
Okay, Max. 1, 2.
Here too.
This is the first one, second one.